The opposition leader Animesh Debbarma and the IPFT minister Sukla Charan Noatia has arrived in the state on Friday after meeting with Northeast advisor of MHA or the interlocutor of Tripura A.K. Mishra on Thursday. However, they did not return with the good news for the people of Tripura. The executives of IPFT has met with Northeast advisor of MHA or the interlocutor of Tripura A.K. Mishra on Thursday on the demands of Tripura Land and High Modality Committee. The executives of IPFT had a discussion on the demands of Tripura Land and on important rights of Tripura people with the interlocutor A.K. Mishra. IPFT State President Prem Kumar Riang, State Secretary Sopan Debbarma, AGS Minister Sukla Charan Noatia, and Advisor Committee member Krishna Kanta Jamatia were present during the decision. Likewise, the executive of Tripura Motha has met with the Northeast advisor of HMA or the interlocutor A.K. Mishra. The officials of HMA listened carefully to the demands of the Tripura Motha. The opposition leader Animesh Debbarma and IPFT Minister Sukla Charan Noatia has arrived in the state on Friday after meeting with the Northeast advisor of MHA or the interlocutor of Tripura A.K. Mishra on Thursday. However, they did not return with the good news for the people of Tripura. Minister of IPFT and Tripura Motha were seen unhappy. They did not have any good news to announce to the people of Tripura when asked by the news supporters.
Yeah, on behalf of our IPFT party, we have attended meeting. Honorable Notice
What was the main agenda?
Just previous 5 years we have coalition government with the English, many issue we have submitted and regarding the last previous 5 years. Our honorable late MC Debbarma, some agenda was passed in cabinet. That matter we just discussed.
Was Tripura Land in that? Tripura Land?
It is our core demand.
You have raised that issue?
Discuss regarding our separate issue.
Thank you.
We have met the advisor of Government of India, Northeast Afro, Mr. A.K. And then our core demand we have placed before. Definitely he is going to convey the same to the Union government. That's end of it.
But the same issue was already brought before the Union Home Minister. So what is the development of this meeting?
Definitely there is development. Otherwise, why meeting after meeting will take place? Things will get good shape. Things are progressing.
Is it output of the threat that the Tripura Motha has said that they will block the roads and other things?
You see, blocking the road is part of the democratic protest. If required, we'll do so. Since the talk is going, let it happen, let it go. We'll see that what we can do next. But as of now, we have placed our demand through the advisor of Northeast Africa. Let us see.
Sir, a minister was there in the meeting or he had met separately?
The minister was not
Yeah.
with the Government of India officials.
No, Tripura's Minister Sukla Charan was also...
See, they had different views. We had different. And other groups are also having.
What do you mean by other groups?
Samaj Prati.
Okay, Samaj Prati. So we found that after around 6 years later, IPFT has again raised the issue on this, and they have met in Delhi when you people are also meeting. Is it politically significant?
We are politicians and everything is part of politics.
Everything's
Whom to trust and give faith for the movement of Tripura people. The future of Tripura people is in darkness, which is why the Tripura people are waiting for a great leader to show them the path to a bright future. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.